Every discovery begins not in the lab, but in a question. A question that brings together over 1,900 minds, curious, committed, ready to evolve. ESEB 2025 opens its doors in Barcelona, not just a scientific meeting, but a space where knowledge was lived, experienced, challenged, and reimagined. A place designed to transform behaviors, foster collaboration, and shape the future of evolutionary science. Over 5 days, with 5 keynote speakers, and more than 100 invited speakers, 500 oral presentations, and 1,100 poster presentations, science came alive through discussion, challenge, and connection. Every session became a node in a living ecosystem of discovery. But the real evolution? It happened in the in-between, around a poster, over a shared lunch, in a spontaneous conversation. This is where connection became insight, and strangers became a scientific community. Behind it all, complexity mastered with precision. 11 meeting rooms running in parallel. A Congress led and delivered entirely from the host territory. And with climate as our guide, sustainability wasn't symbolic. It was measured, proven, and shared. And this evolution was reflected in its people. These are the voices that guided and inspired ESEB 2025.
Conferences like this are the bedrock of what we do. Its importance and knowledge sharing for spreading what we do, learning from each other, facilitating careers, and just celebrating the wonder of evolutionary biology.
If I will have to describe ESEB 2025 in just one word, it will be inspiring.
I have always believed very strongly progress via discussions and learning via discussions. There's always space for new things.
ESEB 2025 wasn't just a congress about evolution. It was a place that chose to evolve in its vision, its people, and its impact. A turning point, a shared legacy. Because when science is shared, it doesn't just evolve. We evolve.